You're never too young to save the planet. I think about the environment a lot. I worry that pollution is hurting our planet. I always remind Dad not to leave the refrigerator door open. An open refrigerator wastes energy. I tell Mom we can walk to the post office so she doesn't have to buy as much gas. The truth is, both Mom and Dad do a lot to help the planet. On Saturdays, Dad leads nature walks to teach people about the environment. On Sundays, Mom volunteers at a recycling center. I wanted to help, but I was too young to work at the recycling center or to lead nature walks. I knew there must be something kids like me could do. Then one day I saw an internet site about a special group. The group was created by kids to help save the environment. It was just what I was looking for. I was excited that other kids wanted to help the environment. I never knew that there were so many of us, and we are all over the world. If we all become involved, we could have a big impact. When my mom and I looked at the group's website, we found lots of great volunteer ideas. My favorite ideas: help plant trees, organize groups to pick up trash, teach younger kids at school about recycling. I was most curious about trees. I wanted to learn why trees are so important. On the website, I found that people and animals depend on trees. Trees give us oxygen to breathe. The oxygen from trees also helps clean the air. Trees help cool the planet. They give us shade. They also take water from the ground and then put it back into the air. This water becomes rain. We cut down trees to use their wood. We burn some kinds of wood to keep warm. We also use some kinds of wood to help to build new houses and to make other things like baseball bats and paper. We need wood, but we also need live trees to help keep the planet healthy. I decided I really wanted to plant trees to replace the ones I cut down. The online kids group sent me information about how to do it. First, I had to get trees to plant. I asked some stores to give us some trees. They said yes. I planned a party called Treepalooza. Then I needed to find some help. I made posters and put them up all around town. Lots of kids signed up to help. When the big day came, we planted 200 trees all over town. My new friends and I have already planned our next event. We're going to call it Trash the Litter Day. Mom and Dad think we should slow down a little bit. You don't have to save the whole planet right now. You're only 9 years old, Mom tells me. But I say, why wait?